Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can split the screen of Infinix Hot 40 and how you can use two applications simultaneously in Infinix Hot 40. But before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. So first of all, just open any application. I'm open Play Store. After that, open message. That's it. Now all I have to do is split the screen. So just go to recent tab, and we have these applications here. For splitting screen, just click here and see if we have option of split screen. Just click on it. So the screen is split already. Then if you want to open another app like Google Chrome or Play Store or any other app, I'm opening Play Store. That's it. So through this method, we can split the screen of Infinix Hot 40. But remember, in Infinix, some application has no split screen option like call log. If you see the settings, we have no split screen option here. So some application doesn't have this option, but many of the application in Infinix Hot 40 has this option. So through this method, we can split the screen. That's it about the video. If this video helps you guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.